WhatsApp is one of the greatest chat applications ever, and it's only about to get incredibly better. How better? I'll tell you. Welcome geeks, you're watching iGeeks Vlog. My name is Lakshay and let's get started with today's video. Some really cool features are about to make their way into WhatsApp by 2022, and let me start with the first one that's very exciting. You know how you've always wanted to hide your last scene, but not from everyone, just from that one random person? Well, now you'll be able to do that very soon. WhatsApp is going to introduce a feature where you can hide your last scene, but from one specific contact or from a list of specific contacts. So if there's that one random person you've always wanted to avoid, now's your chance. This next feature is really interesting, and I think this is one that we really wanted on our WhatsApps. So recently we got the ability to delete text messages or delete anything that we've sent for everybody in the chat box. But the caveat was, the issue was, there was a time frame where we could delete these messages, and after that time frame had expired, we couldn't delete anything. That time limit was 4096 seconds, which is 68 minutes and 16 seconds, no longer than that. If you passed that time frame, you could not delete your messages at all, no matter what happened. But now WhatsApp is planning to remove this time frame entirely, so if you've sent something 2 years ago, you can still delete that. Of course, not right now. This feature will come very soon. It's already in the beta testing versions of the app, and it will be rolled out to the public. It should be rolled out to the public very soon. Another new feature that could make its way to WhatsApp really soon is message reactions. So you know how we react to individual messages on Instagram and Facebook Messenger. So if somebody sends us a meme or a reel or any sort of message whatsoever, we have the ability to react to those individual messages via emojis. So we can send a laughing emoji or a heart emoji or anything at all. Up until now, the only way we could react to individual messages on WhatsApp was that we had to choose to that message, we had to reply to it individually via text or via emoji, not the message reaction interface that we get on Instagram and on Facebook Messenger. But that is going to change very soon because WhatsApp is introducing this functionality very soon. So now you'll be able to react with emojis in real time to any message you get on WhatsApp. This is a really cool and exciting feature. On to the next feature, and I think this one is going to be a game changer. So you know how the world is rapidly moving towards an audio only social media experience, how we've got our clubhouses, how we've got our Twitter spaces. Everyone is rushing into the audio race, and it looks like WhatsApp is soon going to join the race because WhatsApp is introducing a brand new audio experience, a new way to experience audio on WhatsApp. So you know when someone sends you an audio note or a voice note or any sort of audio on WhatsApp, you want to listen to it, but you have to keep the chat window open if you want to listen, because once you go back, once you close the chat window, the audio message just stops playing. Can get a little annoying at point of time, because if it's a long note and you've got something else to do, you've got to reply to someone else, you can't keep listening to it in the background. But that could soon change because WhatsApp is launching an audio window, which means you can play that audio in the background, do every other task you wanted to do on WhatsApp or probably on any other app. Really cool and exciting feature that could come to WhatsApp in 2022. Another audio feature that is going to come, in fact it is already launched on WhatsApp, is an audio preview. So now when you send a voice note to someone, you can preview your message entirely, and if you don't like something that you've said or if you've said something wrong, you can delete it before you send it. The next exciting feature on WhatsApp is a community feature, and this could change the way we use WhatsApp. So if you've ever used Discord, you know how there's a channel on Discord where there are separate groups, separate communities inside a channel. So if you've got a gaming channel with your friends and you want to play 5 different games with your friends, you can create different channels for every game. Right now on WhatsApp, if you want to do something like that, you've got to create 5 different groups for every game. And if you want to create 5 different groups with the same people, kind of gets redundant. But now on WhatsApp, not now, in the future on WhatsApp, there's going to be a community feature which will allow you to create different channels in the same group. So you can create a community of say 15 of your friends who are all gamers, and you can create separate channels for every kind of game you want to play. With this community feature, the admins will get a lot of power, because just like the admins of a Discord community, the admin of a WhatsApp community will be able to kick people out of the community. They'll be able to create new chats inside the community. They'll be able to monitor everything that goes on inside the community really exciting feature and a lot of power given to admins. So maybe there's some thought in your head that what if an admin does something, that you don't want? Well, let's see how the future pans out. One incredible thing to point here is that all of these features, everything that I've just talked about, everything is end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp is really serious about our privacy, about our security. That's really nice to see from WhatsApp. So the future looks bright for WhatsApp, and all of these features are really exciting. I, for one, am glad that WhatsApp is introducing that audio window feature because that's a boon for me. And probably these features will come early next year or maybe later in the year, but they are coming for sure. This is my guarantee. Oh, by the way, if you want all of this tech news, all of these Apple related hacks, your iPhone tips and tricks, we've got our iGeeks blog app, which is already live on the App Store. So head on to the link in the description and download the app. So if you like the content, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well. Enable all notifications for our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.